Good morning, candidates. Welcome to Access and Follow Accredited Assessment Center for Carpentry Services NCT. My name is Jonathan Amor Pinada. I am Accredited Competency Assessor for Carpentry Services NCT. I have here my ID with the accreditation number. Let me acknowledge first the presence of Ms. Lenny Roses. She are just here to oversee the assessment. I will check your attendance. Once I call your name, please come forward and present your admission slip. Yes, Mr. Aramilia. Please sign here. Thank you. How's your feeling today, Mr. Aramilia? Okay, let's proceed for feedbacking. For your practical performance, you did it right, satisfactory, and also the oral question you answered it correctly. You are competent. Congratulations. Please sign here. Once again, congratulations. How's your feeling today, Mr. Cass? Okay, as I observed, you answered all the questioning correctly, but you may lack something in your practical. But don't worry, you'll be still receiving COC and you can reassess anytime at your convenience and the assessment center of your choice. I'm so sorry, but you are not yet competent. But still, congratulations. Please sign here.